మీ అందరికీ తెలుసు కదా, మా హస్బెండ్ ఆఫీస్ పని మీద జర్మనీ వెళ్లారని. అక్కడ ఆఫీస్ పని తర్వాత కొంచెం టైం దొరికితే అక్కడే ఉన్న పల్లెటూరికి వెళ్లారు చూడ్డానికి. మొన్న వీడియో పెట్టాను కదా, పాత ట్రెడిషనల్ జర్మన్ ఇల్లు, అది కూడా 400 ఇయర్స్ క్రితం ఇల్లు పెట్టాను కదా. ఎవరైనా మిస్ అయి ఉంటే చూడండి, చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. డిస్క్రిప్షన్ లో లింక్ పెట్టేస్తాను. ఆ ఇల్లు చూసిన తర్వాత ఆ ఇంటికి సంబంధించిన గార్డెను, పొలాలు ఇలాంటివన్నీ చూశారన్నమాట. ఇలాంటివన్నిటితో పాటు ఒక శ్మశానం కూడా వెళ్లారు. ఆ శ్మశానం అయితే అచ్చం పూల తోటలా ఉంది. అలాంటి ఇంకా ఎన్నో విశేషాలతో ఈ వీడియో.
ఇండియాలోనే కాదు, గోడలు తగలేయడం ఇక్కడ కూడా, జర్మనీలో కూడా ఇదే పద్ధతి.
కేక్ చేస్తాను, ఎగ్స్ కొందామని బయటకొచ్చింది. అయితే మనలాగా షాప్కి వెళ్లకుండా చూడండి ఎక్కడికొచ్చిందో.
So you pick eggs from here?
Yeah, today, this morning for the cake.
So you have a chicken from here?
This is my house behind, and this is the...
And you buy eggs here?
Open it.
Here you put the coins. It's
Okay.
2.30 for 6, and it's...
Can we put some money and take egg now?
Yeah, I have.
Automatic కాదు, ట్రస్ట్ బేస్ సిస్టమ్.
చూసారా, చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ కదా. జస్ట్ నమ్మకం మీదే అమ్ముతారు. ఇక్కడ ఫ్రిడ్జ్ లో గుడ్లు పెట్టేస్తే డబ్బులు వేసేసి తీసుకోవడమే.
So you have eggs here. So you put money and take eggs.
Exactly.
Anybody can simply take eggs.
Anybody.
Okay.
From the village, of course. And here we...
No, it's okay.
Sometimes you can put more or less depending on how much money you have.
డబ్బులు ఎక్కువ వేసినా తక్కువ వేసినా అడిగే వాళ్ళు ఉండరు. అయినా అలాగని ఎవ్వరూ ఇలాంటి ఫెసిలిటీని మిస్యూజ్ చేసుకోరు. మీకు గుర్తుందా, నేను వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఇలాగే సన్ఫ్లవర్ ఫామ్ లో కావలసినన్ని పూలు కోసుకొని ఇలాగే డబ్బాలో డబ్బులు వేసి వచ్చాము. ఇలాగా నమ్మకం మీద నడిచే రోజులు ఎప్పుడొస్తాయో మనకి.
The best are on top.
Which month you get apples? Good apples? When do you get here?
Now, like August should be the good season.
August you get good apples?
Yeah, and in
Good there? No? What is this, pumpkin? Nice. Who's growing it?
Linda and me.
So when do you harvest it?
In October. We let it grow and grow and grow.
How big it becomes?
Like this, more or less. So.
Okay.
And there is a lot. Also a lot
What
of
else?
pumpkins.
I can see the one.
The orange one, right?
Yellow, red one. In India, in my state, we use the flour to make a snack.
Yeah. How do you do it?
Now we use gram flour or dough, mix it and then deep fry.
Yeah.
I told you about it already.
But not with like frying. Okay.
And what else you are growing that side?
That's zucchini.
What is that?
Zucchini.
Zucchini.
How do you say it in
In India we probably call them zucchini.
zucchini?
Zoo.
Ju.
My father can't spell Z. He says J.
This is also a pumpkin. But
This is a male flower.
Okay. What's
It doesn't
the
give you
difference?
fruit. This doesn't give you fruit, na?
Okay.
The female
Yeah.
flower, only male flowers.
Yeah.
The female flower will have a fruit below. That's one.
Yeah.
So is the
Yeah, like cucumber. Yeah.
yeah.
This one.
Yes.
All these are strawberries also. Like
Strawberries.
All these.
In India also we grow strawberries in a place called Mahabaleshwar.
Mahalis.
I took my son when he was young.
Yeah.
I want to see this zucchini from close.
Here.
Show me.
I let it a little bit more grow, but this is the size of you find in a supermarket.
Yeah.
Usually they are not bigger than that.
There's one more there. Huh?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah.
The ones I have in the kitchen, that's the medium size.
And how old is this plant?
1 year or 2 years.
Oh, they grow?
Yeah, they still grow.
Here also one. See? Oh, nice. ఇది గుమ్మడి చెట్టు లాగా ఉందిరా బాబా.
సేమ్ రిలేటివ్స్ కదా.
మన సుక్కిని గింజలు పెడితే అవుతాయేమో
తీసుకో
కదా.
మార్కెట్ లో దొరుకుతాయి గింజలు.
కొన్ని కొంచెం బై. So what are other plants you are growing in the garden?
Tomatoes and cucumber. And usually we have much more, but this year my roommates were were helping so much in the garden. So it's mostly my roommate and me.
Array, very nice.
Yeah.
What is this?
How do you call it?
Beetroot?
I
Turnip?
అది మన కొంచెం గోంగూర లాంటిది నాన్న, గోంగూర
You
రిలేటివ్
eat
అది.
it also
Salad
in
lo
India,
tintara?
I think.
ఇట్స్ గోంగూర రిలేటివ్ అది.
Okay. It's
Where is this?
Is it
Of
sour?
Dutch?
I forgot. I knew the name, but I
ఇంగ్లీష్ లో ఏదో సోరెల్ నాన్న.
in my mouth.
the tomatoes are nice.
Timian.
Tomatoes are nice.
Yeah. Every day maybe I can pick already one. Those behind.
Mm-hmm.
And this.
The one there, behind it.
This is Bealao. How do you say?
బేర్లాక్ నాన్న ఇవ గార్లిక్ లాంటిది గడ్డి ఉంటుంది.
Uh-huh.
Ah no, not Bealao.
బేర్లాక్ లుక్స్ లైక్ స్నీట్ లో.
The ones who you like
This is
for
baba.
pesto.
Idemo
Basil.
Basil.
gogu chettu antaru.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
What is this?
It's a flower. You can use it for tea. It's called Malbe in German.
Okay.
It just
I really like the tomatoes.
yeah.
Nice.
Hmm.
And there one red one.
Yes.
అక్కడ ఆ వెనకాల చేతితో పట్టుకో చూపి.
The Chinese ones, small ones.
Mhm.
Very nice.
And we have also like different
Podugga
types.
undi chettu
Yellow.
baba. Aakutunna.
Raj, can you give me the knife behind?
Is it ready for cutting?
I think so. Yeah.
Ah, nice one.
And you can pick those tomatoes if you want. I think they're already ripe.
Hey, here's the tomato ripe. You can take one.
Yes.
అది కావాలి ఇంకా
This
టైం
too?
టైం ఉందా?
అయింది కదా?
టైం ఉంది.
అవలేదు?
లేదు లేదు.
This is not still grown?
No, I think they have to shine a little bit.
Okay.
More like
Pick
this.
it out.
Yeah, I think ideally. No, I think
Like this.
maybe this one is ready.
Leave it. They are not ready, don't cut. That's nice.
Yes.
Thank you. Feel like eating them. They're so nice, succulent. Lovely.
I want to try tomatoes from I don't know. You grow in your village?
We grow tomatoes. But not these Chinese tomatoes, like the yellow ones.
Ah, yeah.
We mostly grow the
Red ones.
red ones. But these are nice. I feel like eating one. Maybe I'll eat this. Farm fresh
They're
German tomato.
But I am not a shortage, you guys.
This is like berry tree, like Stachelbeere.
దీని ఏమంటారా?
స్టాకల్ బెర్ ఏదో బెర్రీస్ అవి.
Oh, berries. Okay.
Yeah.
సీజన్ లేదు.
It's very. I mean, if you wait, they are very sweet. But usually, like, you have to look, if they're ready or not. And the season was now in July and June.
Okay.
So now it's, you can make tea out of the leaf if you like, not tea, but infusion. Yeah.
Okay, infusion. Okay.
Yeah. It's very bitter.
And what is this plant?
And this one, I don't know.
Nice smell.
ఏంటిది?
Oh yeah. I would do infusion out of this, but these are also very good for infusion and
Tea?
yeah, this also.
ఇది Johannes Kraut?
No, Johanneskraut is there. Like
What is
the other how do you call it in English?
Tell in Spanish.
I forgot the name. I'm not good at names.
Okay. Small.
It was completely full. Maybe this. I think. Oh. Those are
No, Mr. Lamai.
these ones. Oh. Yeah.
You
తిరొకటి.
Try these ones. I think.
can eat, right? Or you want
Yes.
to wash? Can you eat like?
తిన్నానా?
directly.
Nice.
Very sour, right?
You like sour fruits? So this is a cemetery. Resting place.
But I think not so many people go here because it's expensive. Like having
In
like
Germany,
a
it's all expensive to live and die.
yes. My granny for
People have to pay to maintain this.
yes, exactly.
వెనకాలంతా కార్న్ నానా.
Where all your family made with a ceremony also like
In
crematory?
Hindu, we cremate the body.
Yeah, exactly.
We don't normally in my family we don't keep a tomb like this.
Yeah.
But for my father, we have put his ashes in my farm in a big stone
Yeah.
with a name there. So some future young people know who he was. Only his ashes. We don't bury them here. We cremate.
Yeah, exactly.
Only my father's ashes are kept in our farm.
Okay.
So young people can know who he was, what he did. It's again on with a large stone.
But do you also follow like ritual or like do you do different in your family? Or?
We cremate the person who passes away, and the elder son of the house, eldest or the youngest, will lit the fire, put the fire. Then there are different. We perform about 11 to 13 days some ritual puja. Then after that every month, and after that every year on the day of his passing away, we do a ceremony which is done by a priest. So again, and when we do the rituals before 13 days, every male member of the house remove the hair. We tonsure our hair.
Shave.
So then we do the rituals. We believe that the soul comes back to take the offering. We believe that the soul comes back in form of a crow. So we give food either to a crow and we give to a cow, or we put it in water, or some people who do not have any of these things put the offering in the fire. Then we believe it goes back to. So in our rituals we believe that there is a timeline. So for during the first 1 year of somebody passing away, every month is 1 day because his soul has traveled into the heaven. Every month is 1 day. Thereafter every year is 1 day. So we don't miss that year, the date, because if you don't do the offering every year on that day, he would miss one meal. That's the belief. So we have to do every year ritually on that day. Give the offering so the soul will have the food.
ఇక్కడ మేకలు చూడండి ఎలా ఉన్నాయో, మనకి ఇక్కడికి చాలా డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉన్నాయి కదా.
And I think depending of the year or the
So they exactly know how to drink from a small tap. Oh, look, there is a very nice. Hey, come. That is an electric.
yeah. Sure. I think mostly they have it because of the foxes and.
How they are drinking water? They have set up a nice. So water is not wasted.
Yeah.
They tickle that and then they get the water. They're very intelligent birds.
Yeah, actually chicken are very intelligent.
No.
Yeah, they are.
What are the herbs? What is this?
Similar to mint. It's a little bit like citrus.
Citrus,
We
okay.
call it Zitrone Melissa.
Melissa.
It's like a lemon mint. Lemon mint.
టీలో వేసుకుంటారా?
టీ ఏదైనా
Silence-లో.
రిలాక్సేషన్ కి హెర్బ్ అది.
Okay.
All this is oregano.
This is oregano?
Show me.
You try that. You try Indian sweet, I try your cake.
I think this I tried.
This is Kaju Barfi. That's cashew nut. Again, some milk solids, sugar.
How is the name again?
Kaju Barfi.
Kaju barfi.
Kaju. Kaju Barfi.
Kaju barfi.
You like it?
I think this I had. It reminds me a lot. I think you brought them from Hyderabad, right? I like the aroma, the aftertaste. Tastes like a flower or like I would how do you say it? Related to herb or something.
That's Kalakan. Called Ajmeri Kalakan. Famous in a place called Ajmer in North India. This is Jukini. This is cousin of our Gummadikaya. In South India we have Gummadikaya never English pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
It's close to the family of pumpkin.
The seeds are very small.
From your farm.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I am stealing one. And also a corn for me. Very good. Thank you. Great gift.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
రాజే నాన్ స్టాప్ గా మాట్లాడతాడు అనుకుంటే ఈ అమ్మాయి అంతకంటే అస్సలు ఆపట్లేదు. అలా కబుర్లు చెప్తూనే ఉంది. ఇంకొకటి గమనించారా? అమ్మాయి ఆ అంటూ దీర్ఘాలు తీసుకుంటూ చెప్తుంది. ఇంతకీ జర్మనీ పల్లెటూరు ఎలా ఉందో కామెంట్ చేయండి. మీ కామెంట్స్ కోసం ఎదురు చూస్తూ ఉంటా.